Hey everyone, my course that is Local SEO Domination Blueprint is finally launched. It's launched on IMG courses. If you're an existing member of IMG courses, you go just get this. And if you're not, you can just buy this from the link that I have given in the description. So let me quickly go through what exactly we cover, right? First of all, introduction, basic stuff. Then, local SEO ranking factors. What are some of the proven local SEO ranking factors? Then how to audit a GBP listing, how exactly we do that. Then how to audit a website for local SEO. Then must use tools for local SEO. And keyword research part, how exactly you have to do keyword research for local SEO. Then our AI location and service page strategy with prompts and everything, and with the Google Docs and stuff like that. And then we are having local SEO ChatGPT prompts. Again, you're gonna get a ChatGPT prompts Google document so that you can just copy, paste that and use it. Then we are having optimizing your Google business profile for better ranking. This is gonna be around how we do the on-page SEO of Google business profile. So pretty much that stuff. Then how to do GBP posts effectively. Exactly how we do all the SOPs of ours. Around GBP posting. Then CTR manipulation methods. All the methods that you can use for CTR manipulation. Social ads for CTR manipulation. Yeah. Then all the tools you're gonna require for CTR manipulation. And local SEO link building method. All the methods that we use in our agency for local SEO link building and citation building, the better way of doing citation building, the unconventional way. Then we are having how to exactly get more real reviews. This is gonna be a bit interesting because this is not something that's the usual stuff. It's not about sending tons of SMS or messages to your clients. It's more than that. Then removing negative reviews, how you can remove or get rid of negative reviews. This is a bit of black hat stuff, but yeah. Then how to use schema for local SEO with all the templates, and that you can just plug and play, or you can just replace your business name with it and get stuff with. And then yeah, pretty much it. So this is all that's included in Local SEO Domination Blueprint. If you wanna buy that, the link would be in the description and pinned comment. And yeah, I'm not really planning to have any community for this right now, but feel free to let me know once you have purchased. I can certainly have a community as well where we can discuss certain stuff. And yeah, this is priced at $249 right now, so it's pretty cheap, and you will get a really good idea on exactly what stuff you have to do in local SEO to get ranking in Google Maps and also the website. So yeah, this is all about the course, and thanks for supporting me. I'll be coming up with some crazy good videos as well on this channel. So make sure, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe the channel. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Have a great and awesome day.